Picture this. You're enjoying a peaceful evening when suddenly an uninvited guest arrives, sciatic nerve pain. You can almost hear the ominous music playing in the background. It's a scenario many of us know all too well. Let's go back a few years. It was a beautiful summer day. I was doing what I loved most, gardening, when all of a sudden a sharp pain shot down my lower back, through my hip and down my leg. And just like that, I was introduced to the world of sciatic nerve pain. But what exactly is this unwelcome visitor? The sciatic nerve, the longest and widest nerve in the human body, runs from the lower back through the hips and down each leg. When this nerve gets irritated or damaged, it can lead to a kind of pain that can stop you in your tracks. This, my friends, is sciatic nerve pain. So what causes this disturbance? The most common culprits are a herniated disc, spinal stenosis, or piriformis syndrome. Imagine the discs in your spine as jelly donuts. A herniated disc is like a donut that's been squashed, causing the jelly to leak out and irritate the nearby sciatic nerve. Spinal stenosis, on the other hand, is a narrowing of the spaces within your spine, which can put pressure on the nerves that travel through the spine, including the sciatic nerve. And finally, piriformis syndrome is when the piriformis muscle, which is located in the buttock region, spasms and causes pain. This muscle can also irritate the nearby sciatic nerve, leading to pain, tingling, or numbness in the back of the leg. In essence, these conditions cause a traffic jam along the sciatic nerve highway, causing pain and discomfort that can range from annoying to debilitating. So now that we've gotten acquainted with our unwanted guest, let's talk about how to show at the door. Because after all, no one likes an uninvited guest who overstays their welcome. Stay tuned as we delve into the various ways to bid adieu to sciatic nerve pain and reclaim your peace. Exercise might be the last thing you want to do when you're in pain, but it can actually help. We're not talking about running a marathon here, but some gentle stretching and exercising can make a world of difference for those dealing with sciatic nerve pain. Let's start with the knee to chest stretch. It's as simple as it sounds. You'll want to lie on your back and slowly bring one knee up to your chest. Hold it there for a few moments before releasing and repeating with the other leg. This stretch works wonders in loosening the lower back muscles and relieving sciatic nerve pain. Next up is the pigeon pose. Don't let the name scare you off. You begin in a tabletop position, then slowly bring one knee forward, placing it behind your wrist. Extend the other leg behind you and try to keep your hips square to the floor. You should feel a stretch in the hip of the bent leg. This pose helps stretch the piriformis muscle, which can often be a culprit in sciatic nerve pain. Lastly, let's talk about gentle back extensions. This exercise involves lying on your stomach and slowly pushing up from the floor with your hands, arching your back. The key here is to keep it gentle. You're not trying to touch your nose to the ceiling. Think of it more as a graceful swan dive. This exercise helps to push the sciatic nerve away from the discs, which can help alleviate pain. Now, here's the golden rule for all these exercises. Form and technique are everything. It's not about how high you can lift your leg or how far you can bend. It's about doing it right. So, take your time, listen to your body, and remember, quality over quantity. And one more thing, don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate results. These things take time, but if you're consistent, you'll start to see improvement. Relief from sciatic nerve pain is a journey, not a sprint. Remember, consistency is key. Keep at it, and you'll start to see improvement. Sometimes little changes can make a big difference. Let's look at some lifestyle modifications that can help manage sciatic nerve pain. When it comes to sciatic nerve pain, maintaining good posture is not just about standing tall. It's about keeping your spine aligned during all your daily activities, whether you're sitting at your desk, lifting heavy objects, or even sleeping. A well-aligned spine reduces pressure on your sciatic nerve, and that can mean less pain for you. And speaking of sitting, did you know that prolonged sitting can exacerbate sciatic nerve pain? So let's make a pact to move more and sit less. It doesn't mean you have to run a marathon. Simple movements like standing up and stretching every half an hour or so can make a world of difference. Next up is your sleeping environment. A firm mattress and supportive pillows can be your best allies in your battle against sciatic nerve pain. They help keep your spine in a neutral position, reducing strain on your sciatic nerve. Just like Goldilocks, you need to find a mattress that's just right, not too hard and not too soft. Lastly, let's talk about weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is not only good for your overall health, but it also reduces the strain on your spine. And less strain on your spine means less pressure on your sciatic nerve. So consider incorporating a balanced diet and regular exercise into your routine. Remember, it's not about quick fixes or fad diets. It's about sustainable lifestyle changes. So, there you have it. Good posture, less sitting, a firm mattress, and a healthy weight. Simple lifestyle changes that can have a big impact on managing your sciatic nerve pain. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a healthy lifestyle. It's about making small, consistent changes. Start with one change, and once that becomes a habit, add another. Before you know it, you'll see the benefits adding up. It's not about making drastic changes overnight. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Millions of people experience sciatic nerve pain and have found ways to manage it. Take James, for instance, a marathon runner who was sidelined by severe sciatica. Through a combination of stretching, exercise, and lifestyle changes, he was back on the track in less than 6 months. Or consider Lisa, a working mom who could barely lift her toddler due to the pain. She incorporated hot and cold therapy into her routine and discovered a world of relief. These aren't isolated incidents. Countless individuals have found their way back to a life less defined by pain and more by their passions. They've reclaimed their routines, their hobbies, their joy. They've navigated the rocky terrain of sciatica and emerged stronger on the other side, and so can you. Your story could be the next success story, so don't give up. So we've talked about the what, the why, and the how. Now it's your turn to take the next steps. We've journeyed together through the realm of sciatic nerve pain, understanding its causes and impacts. We've explored the art of stretching and exercising, discovering how small, consistent actions can lead to significant relief. And remember, you're not alone in this. Many have walked this path before you, and their experiences bear testament to the effectiveness of these methods. Now, it's time for you to start your own journey towards relief. Try these methods. Experiment with what works best for you. Every journey begins with a single step, and that step could be as simple as a gentle stretch or a small lifestyle change. And as you embark on this journey, we encourage you to share your experiences and progress in the comments section. Remember, the journey to relief starts with a single step. So, take that step today, and don't forget to share your journey with us.